Welcome back, guys. It is Wednesday. We're still in Era 1, and let's go ahead and get started for today. So, as you know, we're zooming into history, focusing on the English colonies, specifically on the east coast of North America. We have a new word for today, and it is persecution. This word means to kill for religious beliefs. In a lot of places in the world, historically and today, people are, well, I could say they're treated unfairly based on their religious beliefs, and persecuted means that they actually want to kill you. So we're going to be using this word today. We will trace persecution as the main reason for the founding of Plymouth, Massachusetts. If you look at this image here, you might recognize some of these people as pilgrims, popularized by Thanksgiving. The Plymouth Pilgrims were the first to agree to self-government in the New World away from the king, and this is a really big deal. And at the end of class today, you're going to compare and contrast two very important colonies, Jamestown, Virginia, and Plymouth, Massachusetts. So, just a quick review. In your very important date notebook, you have your page for Jamestown already, and it tells you that it was the first successful English colony and was established for the commercial profit of tobacco. Virginia is in the southern region, so we know that this is a hot climate plantation colony. Now let's take a look at our next VIP colony where the Pilgrims land. The Pilgrims are going to land in Massachusetts, which is in the New England region, where our weather is colder, where we know that there is lots of forests and rocky soil. And I went ahead and pointed the big arrow on Plymouth here because I know a lot of us haven't been up here to the New England region. We call this the boot because it looks like a boot when it sticks off. You can see the map, the boot of Massachusetts. So what you're going to do in your notebook, you're going to skip a page, and then you're going to write at the top 1620, the Mayflower Compact in Plymouth, Massachusetts. Go ahead and write down this information in your notebook like I have here, and then we're going to draw a line underneath. The Pilgrims and Puritans settled in New England after being persecuted in England. They signed the first social contract agreeing to self-government away from the king. As you can imagine, after escaping the king, after he wanted to kill you for your religion, the Pilgrims wanted freedom of religion in the New World. So Plymouth, Massachusetts is settled for freedom of religion by the Pilgrims. So this idea of self-government, this is the first time in the New World we hear about this. In Jamestown, of course, they were still in the control of the king, and the Pilgrims want to come up with their own rules, so they sign a contract agreeing that they're going to choose their own leaders. So today is your quick write. Underneath the line for 1620, underneath the line, you're going to answer this question. If you started your own colony, what rules would you have agreed to follow? Go ahead and answer here, and then we're going to share. Now, your final activity today, guys, is going to be in the Google Classroom. It's a compare and contrast circle for Jamestown, Virginia, and Plymouth, Massachusetts. You click and drag, and make sure you submit before you go. I'll see you tomorrow.